Hello students, welcome back to English class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, in the previous class we had recited a poem in standard 5, that is Waiting at the Window, written by Alan Alexander Mill. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercise of the poem, but before that I will give some hints about the summary of the poem and also provide to you for its hard copies. Let's go to the summary. The poem is about the imagination of a child who considered two raindrops as James and John. James was coming down the window, and the speaker wanted this drop to lose, while the other raindrop was John to win the race. But James was slow. Here describe what the two raindrops are doing as they race towards the bottom. John continues to flow down the window while James has slowed again because he had encountered a sort of smear just as John did before. Due to the smear, the other raindrop is catching up. The speaker began to section by wondering whether or not James is going to fast enough. There is some fluff on the window that is stopping his progress. The speaker is very happy to see it because John was favorite of the poet and he was eagerly watching for him to win the race. At the end, John is the winner, the speaker declared. The same time, the cloud clear and the sun comes out. Dear students, let's come to the exercise. Number 1, short answer questions. The question is, why does the poet want John to win the race and not James? The answer is, the poet wants John to win the race because John is his favorite and he eagerly waits for him to win the race. So question number 2. When does the race begin? Who wins at the end? The answer is, the race began when the raindrops, John and James, started to fall from the window pane. John won at the end. Question number 3. How did John overtake James? The answer is, John has quickly hurried by when James was taking to a fly. Students, now coming to the question number 2, long answer questions. The question is, what does the poet mean by, look, I told you, here is the sun? The answer is, it is the point at which the speaker declares John as the winner. At the same moment, clouds clear and sun comes out. The rays on the window pane successfully distracted the speaker from the rain, and now he can go outside pleased with the winner of the race. Question number 2. Write in brief summary Write in brief the summary of the poem. The answer is waiting at the window is about a child looking outside on a rainy day. He could be wishing to be outside playing, but then he notices the raindrops falling down the window pane. As he continues to watch, he sees the raindrops falling and he prints the raindrops are in a race to see which one will get to the bottom of the window first. Dear students, let's come into the question number 3. Answer following questions with reference to context. All the best and all the worst comes from which of them is first? So question number 1. Who is the poet of this poem? My dear students, you know all who is the poet of this poem. So the answer is Alan Alexander Milne. Question number 2. Who is them? Where did they come from? The answer is them refers to raindrops. They come from the sky. My dear students, I think you all are know about the exercise. So thank you. Stay home, safe life. Best of luck. Have a nice day.